What's up, YouTube? It's Dougie, Mustachioed Mechanic. Today we have the essential items that every vehicle needs to have, man, woman, child, to get you out of a roadside emergency, either yourself or somebody else. Number one most important item that we can have is jumper cables. Maybe you've got a brand new battery, maybe you've got a brand new car or truck. These could be used for somebody else. You are out shopping, you're out doing whatever, you find somebody, cold, dark, rainy parking lot, they're in need of a little help, you can be their saving grace. Number two is a personal first aid kit. We find ourselves in a traffic accident, we get some kind of injury while we're away from the house. We've got ourselves a way to fix ourselves up. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing another video on the contents in here and how to use them. A lot of good stuff in here that you might not otherwise find in a commercial kit or think of. Number three on the list is mini fuses. Very underrated item, but fuses go out, you lose your headlights, brake lights, radio, whatever. These can help you out of a pinch. You don't have to stop off at the auto parts store whenever you're in a rush. Very good to have. Number four, tire pressure gauge. Yes, most new cars have TPMS to monitor from the inside your tire pressure, but that doesn't always work great. Number five, zip ties. Zip ties are handy for pretty much everything. I don't think I really need to go into a lot of explanation on that. Number six on the list, work gloves. You're on your way to work, you're on your way out to dinner, whatever. You've got to stop and change your tire. Keeps your hands from getting dirty, all scuffed up. All right, we're up to number seven, screwdriver, Phillips and flathead. To save a little space, this one is two-sided. Flip them around, that way you don't have to carry two around. Pliers, absolute must-have in your tool bag. Needle nose, duck bills, channel locks, great to have. Pair of vice grips wouldn't hurt as well. Adjustable wrench, great to have. It keeps you from having to carry around 100 different sizes of wrenches. This one I really like. It is a vice grip style from Stanley. So whenever you lock it in, whenever you get the size that you want, you can lock it in and it holds that nut a lot better. There's a link down below to where you can get one. Paracord, very good item to have. If you need to tie something down, tie something up, it's your man. A Gerber multi-tool, awesome thing to have. It pretty much takes all of the stuff that's in there, puts it into one tool. It's still good to have all the other stuff just because this thing can get a little clumsy sometimes, but good to have. Duct tape. You know what they say, if you can't duck it, a fire extinguisher is a very good thing to have, especially if you have an older car. It can mean the difference between putting the fire out and making a relatively small repair or everything in your vehicle being lost to fire. Gloves, nitrile, latex, whatever, good to have. Just like the work gloves, if you don't want to get your hands dirty for whatever reason, you're going to work, school, whatever, good to have. Keep yourself clean. Absolute essential item, flashlight. I keep a little one in the bag, I keep a larger one in the door of my truck. Very good for whenever bad things happen at night. Road triangle or road flares, great to have for whenever you get a flat tire or get into a wreck in the middle of the night. Let other drivers know that you're out there, give them a heads up. That way you don't make a bad situation worse. A miniature air compressor, very to have for you or for others. Tow strap, very good to have. You find yourself in a ditch, stuck, you go out somewhere where the parking's in the dirt, save yourself a tow bill, get yourself out. All right, there you go. All the things that I carry in my truck, all the things that I think are essential for your vehicle, for everybody's vehicle. Comment below, let me know what you think should be added to the list or what you think shouldn't be on the list. Press the thumbs up below, let me know that you liked it. Subscribe for more videos like this. Like I said, I will be doing a video on the first aid kit, the things that are in there, and how to use them.